Let's take a look at how product mapping works in AdlerDoo. We'll start with Excel mapping. Here, you can upload an Excel file with your product data, and AdlerDoo will automatically organize your products and variants into mapped and unmapped sections. Next, we have Single Product. Select the marketplace, then add your product information. If the product has no variants, you can work directly with the product master. If it has variants, AdlerDoo automatically opens a separate section where you can enter the variant data. You can also add a new variant to an existing product by selecting the product, choosing the relevant SKU, and entering the new variant information. Once everything is ready, click Generate Data to prepare the product and variant information. Then move to Required Data. Since every marketplace has different requirements, complete any missing data, then click Approve and Update.